In this video, I'm going to talk you through how to set up auto SMS reminders for patients to receive a text message on their birthday. You can set it up under Management and go to Patients. And the second tab along here is Birthday SMS Setup. So here at the top, you can customize that birthday SMS to whatever you wish. And again, just keeping in mind, just watch the number of characters and the number of the quantity of SMSs required. 160 characters is the limit that you can fit onto one text message before you're charged an additional text. So just keep that in mind here. And to set it up, you'll tick the box here and that will become enabled. So you can choose a time that SMS gets sent out on their actual birthday that's entered in their personal details area. So you can select from any time there. And then you've got options to exclude or restrict who is going to receive those text messages. So you can exclude patients last seen or joined more than 2 years ago. So if they're more than 2, 3, 4 years ago, they might not be active patients of yours, so you can exclude them if you wish. Exclude patients with negative balances, so anyone with an outstanding debt will not receive a birthday SMS. Exclude patients on the following default fee schedule, so you might want to exclude people who are perhaps on the OHFFSS, a government fee schedule. You might just want to exclude those patients altogether. Send SMSs to patients who haven't chosen to be contacted by SMS. So this is under their personal details on the bottom left-hand side, unticking the SMS as their preferred method of contact. And then lastly, restrict patients between the ages. So you can send it to only patients between the ages of 18 to 80 because you don't want to be sending, SMSs to underage children where they're not actually the receivers of that text message or for whatever reason. Once you've got your parameters set up here, you can select those and then hit save on the bottom right. Now there is a report under reports, and if you go to communication, you'll be able to see all of your SMSs that are going out. So you can keep an eye on this. We can just change the date range at the top here, and then you can see all those text messages that you've sent out. There's an in-out column on the right that you can filter by, so outgoing SMSs, and you can have a look at the number of units of SMSs that you've been sending. There is also, of course, the birthdays report, which will show you everyone's birthday a week from now, month from now, today only, or you can pop in your specific date range along the top here. This birthdays report is also the same report that you would use if you didn't want to set up the auto SMSs to go out to patients. You can come into the reports and go to birthdays and then select your date period. So we're just going to do today only. And to send the text messages to these people manually, you tick the box on the right hand side to select all, and then you can hit SMS. This is going to show your birthday template, which you've got set up under Management and Patients. And then once you're happy with that, you can just hit send. And of course, if you do want to schedule the SMS that you can do with any of our SMSs sent from Praktika, you can choose a date and time that you'd like to schedule that to go at.